Good morning, you guys. It is very early in the morning, and I am, hold on, my holder. I am about to, sorry, trying to put you guys in my holder. Okay. I'm about to go into Walgreens. You guys can see it back there. It's been a while since I've been in Walgreens. And excuse the way I look. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, almost 9, so like 8 something a.m. It's been a while since I've been to Walgreens, and I wanted to go in here and see what kind of polish they have. I used to come here all the time to get my Sinful Colors nail polish and stuff like that. So I want to come in here and see if they have any like Sinful Colors or Oralies. You know, sometimes they have that in certain Walgreens. They have good name brands, and sometimes they have good sales. So let's go in here and go see. We'll do a little walk. I have on my little kitty mask and my little kitty wallet. We'll do a little walk with me down the polish aisle video, see what they have. Okay, let's go in. All right, y'all. So, of course, they were jamming out with the music when I came in here, so I have to do a voiceover. I was really surprised to see that NYX cosmetic display and also this Ella plus Mila nail polish display. I usually only see these at Target, but they had a lot of nice colors on there. You could tell they've been sitting there a while, though. They need some shaking up. I was kind of curious about how their soy polish remover works. I have been for a while. I started to get that, and I kind of wanted to get that fast drying top coat too, but I was like, I don't know. Let me just keep looking around, and if I don't see anything else, I'll come back for it. So, yeah. So now I'm just looking around, trying to see what else they have. They had Soap and Glory products in there too, if you guys know about that. Those are good, like facial and body products. Okay, so this is the new Sally Hansen Vegan Good Kind Pure display. I picked up this aroma oil, Island Coconut Cuticle Oil. I really wanted to get that, but I have so many. I was like, should I, shouldn't I? So that was another thing. I said, I'll wait. If I don't find anything else, then I'll get that. If you guys have tried it, though, let me know, because I'm kind of curious as to how well it works. Okay, I'm going to pan up here, and these Impress mini nails were so cute. They were for the little girls, and it says mom approved on it, and I just thought that was so adorable. But they had tons of different designs of these Kiss gel press-ons, like really, really cute ones. And I noticed that they have different letters at the top that means like long and stuff like that for the length. I never paid attention to that before. Okay, so this Essie display that I am about to look at, y'all, it was the Get Oasis collection, I believe, but all the colors on this display was so pretty. I cannot believe I left out of there without getting one, and I really regret that I didn't. I may have to go back for a couple of those colors. They were all so pretty. Have any of y'all tried the Essie... what is this called again? The Essie Gel Coutures. I haven't tried them yet, and I was just wondering how they work, if you guys like them. This is another one, the Express Essie, that I started to get as well, because I have heard that they are really good and that they do dry pretty quickly. It was literally so hard for me not to pick up like so many colors that I've seen that I just thought was so pretty and that I wanted. I'm trying so hard to use the polish that I have now before I like keep buying more and more. So I'm really surprised at myself because usually I don't have the willpower and I will walk out of a store with like 10, 15 polishes, you know? So I did pretty good this day. These, I wanted like one of each of whatever this collection was. They were so pretty, and the bottles with the little sparkly tops was getting me, and just I had to hurry up and show y'all up close and get the heck away from there because I wanted all of those. Okay, so this product is a Sally Hansen Hydrate Peel Off Nail Mask. And I think if I go back for anything, I might go back for this and test this out and see if it really works. It's supposed to be for like your cuticles and peeling and all that. And it's like a face mask for your nails. So I think I want to try that. I just noticed something when I put that back. They also had a cuticle barrier by Sally Hansen. Never seen that before. I'm going to have to go back and take a look at that too. If any of y'all have tried that cuticle nail barrier stuff, let me know. Comment below. Okay, so when I seen this Mentos plus Sally Hansen collection display, I was like, okay, ding, ding, ding. This is what I will be buying today. The sets with the 2 polishes in them were like $8.99, something like that. And then the single polishes that were on the display were buy 2, get 1 free, and you can mix and match. Now, some of the ones that I picked up that does not say Mentos on it was not part of the collection, and I did not think that they were supposed to be up there on the display. Like, I thought maybe someone just put them there and they weren't supposed to go there, because I seen a couple that I liked that weren't Mentos, but I wasn't sure if it was part of the mix or match. So I ended up picking just ones that, you know, said Mentos on it instead of getting the ones that didn't, since I wasn't for sure if it went with that buy 2 get 1 free. All of the shades to this Mentos collection was really pretty and the names were fun, so I picked out a few of those. This collection that was above the Mentos and Sally Hansen collection was called, I think, Nailtopia. I've never seen them before, and they were pretty colors too. And I thought they were really neat nail polish bottles. At first, I didn't think they were polished. I had to kind of keep looking and reading and really paying attention because the little tops look like droppers, you know, like, I don't know, like they're little dropper tops. But yeah, they were nail polish. I've never even seen that brand before. I don't think I've even heard of that brand. I got a price check on it and it was $10 each for those. And I was going to grab one just to test it out for y'all to see how they work. But I was like, I think I'm just going to stick with the Sally Hansen Mentos today. Okay, you guys. So due to them playing music in there, I couldn't talk. But did you guys see all the beautiful color polishes that I was showing? Oh my gosh. So you see at the end on my way out, I figured let's do a car haul, do something different. On the way out, I came across the Sally Hansen Mentos collection. So I'll show you guys what I got. First of all, they had that 2-piece set and it was $8.99, which isn't bad. or you can buy 2, get 1 free of the regular single Mentos collection. So I decided to do buy 2, get 1 free. So it was $5.79 for each. So I paid $5.79 for 2, which came to with tax and everything $12.27. And then I got 1 free. So I just got the 2 because I was gonna pick the one with the 2 in the pack. So I just got those 2 colors plus another. So I got the pink Confection Perfection Mentos. Let's see here. People are gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, and then I picked up, what's the name of this one? Peppermint Daddy. I mean, Peppermint Dandy. You know, I love some blue. I swear, I did not want to get this. It was between this and green, but I figure I'm going to wear blue more than I will green. So let me get something I'm going to actually wear instead of just have it sitting around. So I picked the blue. And then plus, I thought all the colors would go good together. So you can't go wrong. And then I thought this was so cute. So I went ahead and got the Mentos, the Fresh Maker. And of course, you know, I had to do that because of the name. And it's cute. It's a white Crelly with blue circle glitter dots in it. It's so cute. And I love that the bottles have the Mentos logos on them. And like I said, they all go well together. So I could do these 2 colors together and have this on like accent nails. Or I can do these 2, you know. So, boom. Buy 2, get 1 free. Yay! I haven't been to Walgreens in so long, so I'm glad I stopped by and went and checked out what they had. So this is a Walgreens that I've never been to before either. So I'll have to hit up another, if I pass by another one on my way home, I'm gonna go in that one. We'll see what they have in that one too. If not, then this will be the end of my video, my little car haul. First time little spontaneous video, you guys. Okay, you guys, that is it. Thank you for watching my little quick Walgreens walk down the polished aisle with me car haul video. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this. If you guys like watching my polished aisle walking in the store and stuff like that videos, thumbs up and comment so that way I'll know.